Hello everybody. Greatest of all times here. Let's get back to work. Let's check in something here. Let's get to work. I'm just preparing these objects for procedural level generation. Okay. This is already implemented. Here's the edge case, right? Question is if I'm trying to see how can I achieve this without adding a boolean. And if it exists, right? So if it exists, that's the simplest thing ever. We just say recycle. And recycle is just pull recycle based on pull data. That's gem item pull like the ID, I mean. So, but if it's null, that could mean two things. It has been collected by the player, which ignore, or that it's pulling, right? In this case, why am I tilted? I hate being tilted. Am I focused enough? Yeah, somewhat. So if it's null, it's either this or that. How can we check this without a boolean? Oh, okay. There's one way to think about it, right? Like, am I enabled or not? But then player triggers. Let me check out the other game. It has the exact same game object or class. This guy. There's your recyclement. Wait. You're not that's impossible. What is this? Pullable object. Okay, it's the module of the... Oh, I completely forgot I implemented this. That's interesting. Recycle pullable object. Pull ID. Okay. That's smart. But I don't have to go this direction now, because I'm going singleton. That's not an issue. But, okay, so where are we calling this? Alright. But... okay, okay. Maybe it's handled here. No. I'm dying out of curiosity. I have to open up that game. Oh, okay. Okay. The assumption is that that makes sense. The assumption is that for this one, pickable coin and the coin inside it. So if a recycle request comes in, just recycle with the item inside it. Then how do you differentiate? I see. So if the object is disabled, if the object itself is recycled, therefore disabled, the action is still called because it doesn't rely on the mono behavior being on. That's interesting. It's an interesting idea. So therefore, if or actually, let's put it here. So if this stake is not collected and we request recycling for the pickable object is recycled with the stake inside it. And next time it won't pool. It's a little bit like a tiny bit inefficient, but who cares, right? Yeah, we don't need to think about this. So we're clean, right? I think we are clean. We can just skip this. So if pickable state pulling not finished, don't react to the. Okay, that's just this. Done. Gates. Let's go with gates. Gate requires like a gate. I think. So gate can have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, right? Like add to a stake or quadruple your stakes, double your stakes, or divide your stakes by 2. Stack. I think we can just implement it here. Or it can be an external body. Which one do I like more? that external body definitely can't be the gates themselves. The gates should just be the gates. They just know the command and the value. I'm gonna put it here, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna put it somewhere else. Let's go. Let's not waste time. So have a pool, double gate. Same structure as our other game, right? I like to write the instructions first. Fake it with a few Odin script buttons, and then implement the gates. Let's start with the simple ones, right? That's like baby work, right? What am I doing? Position is handled immediately after this, right? Update positions, yes. So this is it. Let's test this, right? Because this is not a regular essential stack. It's a weird, unique stack. So I'm not 100% versed on the functionality. And multiplication is just a bunch of additions, right? So we can calculate the amount that needs to be added and call the same add function. Division and subtraction. Division is also subtraction, right? So subtraction is the only weird one because you have to get them one by one, remove them, then recycle all of them. Oh, I have like 3 frames per second. What's wrong? What's up with this frame rate? See if I can clean some, empty up some RAM here. It's probably, I gotta like restart the Windows. Okay, it's an orchestrator. Boop. So add, let's say, 6 stakes. Great. Close that, see if it works. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, 10. Beep, 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 beep. And it's a little bit messed up. What? Is the high number causing that, or I'm adding them in a weird way? I assume it's the numbers, but I've never faced that issue before. Let's test it. Yeah, it's the numbers, okay. Let's see where it breaks. Oh, it doesn't, it's not breaking, it's a visual thing. It's just a visual distortion. God, I thought they were rotating, like, that would be what, in z-axis. Why are you crashing now all of a sudden? And so let's just implement multiplication, then let's go with division, right? Is it stacked? It should be stacked. Is it not? Meat. Sure. do we remove? Because removing here doesn't mean destroy. I don't want to do it manually. Hold on. You know what would be a great example, like a reference? It would be it would be this function. No, that's very crude. Fine. What if? So then isn't meat a meat? That's game item. Value is the first or last? It's the first. How do you write subtract then? Oh, I'm writing subtract? Subtract. What am I smoking tonight? What have I smoked? Okay. should work. Now all we have to do is first test it and then connect the build the gates and then connect them. Also, let me fix my kick. So I'm assuming multiply by not 2 doesn't work, right? So let's add 5. Let's multiply that by 2. Let's go one more time. Close that. Multiply by 2. Great. Now we'll subtract by 5. Fantastic. Now let's divide by 2. Boop. Boop. It reaches 0, right? It probably was divisible by 2. So let's add another. Yeah. What's that? 7. Oh no. Well, because we haven't removed it from ordered, right? Okay, see? It doesn't support it. It's okay. It's okay. This should do the trick. Should. Let's see if it would. Nope. Perfect. Awesome. Now, let's beautify it. Let's commit the changes first. Exaggeration. A lot more. I'm gonna go with 3. Let's see how it looks. I think I should stop drinking water, but I'm gonna stop for now. Still, I can make it exaggerated just a touch more. Why is this so fast? It's weird. It's weird how long it takes. Probably this out-back thing is not working the way I expect it to, with the scaling down, you know? It's okay. I just get rid of it. Now, next up, the gates themselves. I'm trying to think. Because the gates should be, everything should be recyclable, right? So I want to minimize the amount of change that I make to the objects. So like disabling collider or disabling the object itself. I'm trying to think of all those good things. And stack cargoes at 2. Let's multiply by 3. Boop, boop, boop. And now let's subtract by, let's say, 2, right? It's interesting how much faster it looks scaling down. Okay, gotta go with 6 at least, right? Okay, the gates. Not Bill Gates, just the gates. These are the gates. Let's implement them. So we've got 1 gate. Then we need to have double gates. I like the fact that 0x isn't actually 0x. Are we really tilted? Is everything tilted here? Let's see. Oh, we are. Okay, whatever. So what would happen if I go -2, 2? I still don't understand this. I mean, I can always fake it. Who cares, right? So as long as this is on 0, this will work. Now question. This is -1. I really can't understand why this is acting the way it is. So, what sorcery is this? Oh, I see. Oh, got it. So this thing is what? -3.6, and then this is 4.5, right? Okay. How about 4, -4? That'll put us where we need to be. Now, how the hell am I gonna... I have an idea. I'll disable these 2. And select everything else. And just delete them. And make these 2 guys active. Position them properly. Is it 4 and -4, right? And just duplicate them. Because these will be replaced at the end of the day. I'm not gonna have 300 fence mesh in here. And we're gonna combine them into batches. And the procedural level generation will handle everything. But for now, let's have a base. All right. A little more. And 1.8. This will be negative 1.8. Yes. And now, same goes with these snow piles. What? Did it rotate this? Did. This canvas. -4. And 4. How if we raise these things up a little bit? No. Also, this... Yeah. That would be better. So, 0.7, negative 1.7. Yes. That looks good. Let me bring these snow piles down a bit. And higher a bit. That's good. And then these gates are movable gates. Because they move. They're able to move. Should movable gate be a variation of gates or a parent class? It should be a parent class. Let me destroy this and therefore destroy this. This is a gate, right? Let's create a parent class. Oh, parent object for now. Put it here, and then we'll apply the move module to it later on, which simply goes from what, -3 to 3? 2, yeah, 2 to -2. Easy. So now, all we need to, yeah, all we have to do is just to open the gate. and add a gate. Instead of reinventing everything, let me just take a look at it. We just wrote this code like less than 15 days ago. Let me take a look and see the structure. Just configure it. Yeah. Well, we don't need to implement such a complicated concept here, because we're only gonna have add by a tiny margin. Oh, I don't know. Gotta think about it. It just makes sense. This makes all the sense in the world. All right, I think this is it for today's stream. It's 5 a.m. so I gotta sleep in 2 hours, and I've gotta eat a whole bunch of calories. So I'm gonna stop the stream, eat something, get back to work, then again eat something, sleep, wake up, and I'll be streaming in about 12 hours or something. So take care, and I'll see you.